10 obvious signs you are in the friend zone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into a topic that many of you might relate to, the dreaded friend zone. We have all been there or know someone who has experienced it. So, in this video, we'll be discussing 10 clear signs that indicate you might be in the friend zone with that special someone. If you find yourself nodding along with these signs, don't panic just yet. There's still hope for turning things around. Let's get started. Sign number 1, she calls you dude. Alright, the first sign that you might be in the friend zone is when she calls you dude or any other casual bro speak. This is a pretty clear signal that she sees you as a friend and not a potential romantic partner. Sign number 2, high fives and fist bumps. Another obvious sign is the use of high fives and fist bumps. While there could be exceptions, if she does this regularly, chances are you are firmly planted in the friend zone. Sign number 3, lack of self-consciousness. When she's completely at ease around you, to the point of not caring about how she looks or acts, it's a strong indication that you are seen as a friend. And if she's all prim and proper around other guys, well, that says it all. Sign number 4, she encourages your dating life. If she's actively helping you find a girlfriend and even sets you up with her friends, it's a clear sign that she sees you as a buddy rather than a potential romantic interest. Sign number 5, you are her go-to confidant. Does she share every detail of her dating life with you, seeking your advice as if you are her closest girlfriend? That's another big sign that you are deep in the friend zone. Sign number 6, changing clothes without a care. If she changes clothes in front of you without any hesitation or awkwardness, it's a sign she's super comfortable with you, like you are one of the girls. Sign number 7, oblivious to flirting. You might be subtly or not so subtly flirting, but she just doesn't seem to catch on. It's probably because she only sees you as a friend and interprets your gestures as friendly. Sign number 8, she forgets important things. Does she forget important details or things you have told her multiple times? It could be because she's not as invested in you romantically as you might hope. Sign number 9, lack of communication doesn't faze her. You could go days without talking, and she wouldn't be bothered. Friends can pick up where they left off easily, and if she's fine with this, it might mean you are just that to her, a friend. Sign number 10, she's always herself around you. Finally, if she acts the same way around you as she does with everyone else, it might indicate that she doesn't see you as anything more than a friend. Alright, there you have it, 10 obvious signs that you might be in the friend zone. Remember, it's not the end of the world if you find yourself in this situation. You can always try to communicate your feelings honestly, and who knows, she might feel differently. Just be prepared for the possibility that she sees you as a great friend and nothing more. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, share your experiences or thoughts on the friend zone in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.